flying?
Yep.
Okay, do another video. Merry Christmas. We're driving, me and my dad are driving on RC trucks, so yeah. Show me.
Ooh, that wasn't good. You ready?
Tell me if mine compares to yours.
My dad.
Mine looks like it goes like that. Let's see. No, it's stupid battery cables. I didn't break it.
Uh-oh.
Get the stuff out. What do we have here?
See, it just came out.
Huh?
It just came out.
Is it?
Put it back in. If you smack it too hard and stuff, it'll come out.
You Velcro on it or something.
I know, other people do that. Elle, who's got the camera?
Me. Ew, that's bad.
I'm gonna drag it over. Oops. I know.
The little one is actually that one's old. Actually, I bought it from some doofus. Didn't even actually to ride. And that's my dad. Ow. Dad's is driving the big one, and my brother's driving the little one.
Try to beat mine.
Woo!
Mine just has a faster start than yours. That says 10 minutes.
I'm going to take a higher look. Don't worry, I'll still take it. I'm just going to take a higher look over the whole thing. Let's see here.
All the mini ones are that they clip on the side. That's all the mini ones. I should check mine. Should probably check mine.
Just hold it back so it doesn't drop.
Oh, I busted. Cars are like Romeo and Juliet. Little one and big one. Just gonna switch this car, looks like.
Al, does it say 10 minutes?
It's 8 minutes.
Once it hits 9, turn it off.
Okay.
We'll be doing
Okay.
part 2.
Yeah, we'll be doing part 2. So if you want to watch part 2, that would be great too. And remember, subscribe and leave a like.
I gotta walk these higher, right?
Which one?
Front left.
Yeah, let's wobble it. Okay, like and subscribe. Bye.